If you guys been watching my channel, you know that I like my Toyota Tundra. I got a 2007 and I got this 2020. This 2020, I use it on a pipeline. Now, if my 2007 was a four-wheel drive, I wouldn't have bought this 2020. But, you know, you in the pipeline, you go through a lot of stuff. You got mud and you got sand. You go through some extreme stuff. And this Toyota, I'm telling you guys, I know it's a lot of Ford people out there and Dodge and Chevys, but this Toyota gets you out of a bind. And I'm gonna show you, if you're in some kind of extreme situation, some snow, or you're in some deep mud, and I've been through all of that stuff, here go what you wanna do. So first, what you wanna do is come over here and put this in four-wheel drive. You just come here and turn it from two-wheel to four-wheel. And you could be going under 62 miles an hour. You could switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive just like that, and you can switch it back to two-wheel drive if you're driving under 62 miles an hour. So I'm gonna switch it to four-wheel drive, and you're gonna see this light blinking. And I'm gonna drive forward a little bit. It'll stop blinking. It'll kick in the four-wheel drive. You see, it's in the four-wheel drive. So the next thing you wanna do, once you got in the four-wheel drive, what you wanna do is come down here. You see this button right there. You want to hold that for 3 seconds. So I'm gonna push it in and hold it for 3 seconds. And we're gonna look here and you're gonna see what happened. You see right there, the VSC is turned off and the traction is turned off. And all that slip, everything is turned off. So now this baby right here will go through some stuff. You can get through some mud, some sand, some snow. You don't have all that slipperage. And if you want to turn that off, only thing you want to do is just come down here and just push that button once. Watch what happened. I'm gonna push it right now. You see that? It turns all that off, so you still got the slip. But if it starts slipping and stuff, and you're going through some extreme mud or snow, just come down here. You got it in four-wheel drive, push this button, hold it for 3 seconds, and you're gonna see, look. And you got to make sure that you parked or not moving when you're doing this. So if you're traveling or doing anything and you hit that button for 3 seconds, it's not gonna do anything. You got to make a complete stop. And I usually put mine in neutral or park, but you really don't have to put it in neutral. You just have to be going 0 miles per hour. So if you're going through any extreme situations, that's what you want to do. You want to turn all that traction off. You want to turn your slip control off. You want to turn all that stuff off. So now you in control of the situation. So that's what you do when you in extreme situations, mud, snow, sand, hills. That's how you turn all that stuff off. And another thing you should do is pull out your manual sometimes. Right here, it says you want to drive your vehicle in four-wheel drive at least 10 miles a month so that it can lubricate the front wheel drive. So you have to, you know, don't just go months and months without putting your truck in the four-wheel drive. You need to just put it in four-wheel drive, like they said, at least 10 miles per month so that you can keep your front end lubricated. Because you don't want to be on the pipeline. You hadn't put this thing in four-wheel drive for 6 months, and then you get out there and try to put it in the four-wheel drive and it don't click in, you'll be in bad shape. So you want to test your system. I read through my manual and check out different things. But anyway, again, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.